Alright, hey guys, YGO Bros here with an opening of Lord of Tachyon Galaxy, so let's get started. And we have one honorary guest here, Cody.
Hi.
He's our honorary guest slash store owner, co-store owner, I don't know.
He's a magic judge now.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Cody.
Thank you. Play Magic, not Yu-Gi-Oh.
No, we don't promote that here,
Alright,
Cody.
what do we have?
Oh, baby dragons.
And we had Pinpoint Guard, Secret.
Ooh. Ooh. Good card, right? Yeah. Good card. Okay, so we got our Secret as our first card.
Red.
Can only get better from here.
Starfish. Brother of the Farfus Wolf. This thing I cannot pronounce. And nothing really good.
Alright, so another baby dragon.
Yeah, baby dragons are just common. They come everything.
We're gonna get a ghost rare.
Yeah, we are.
But I'm gonna pull the ghost rare.
Okay, Cody.
Oh, sorry.
Is there even a ghost rare in this set?
Yeah, Tachyon.
Ah.
I'm gonna pull it.
Alright, so that's 3 packs. 1 super. Or not super, secret.
And we have, oh, prep super. That's super now.
So we got a Mecha Phantom Beast Turtle Tracer. It's a super. Cody, what are you doing with the packs?
Oh, he picked this pack.
He picked this
It's
pack.
got a ghost rare in it.
It's got the ghost rare, for sure.
Yep. And that. Good in there. So far we have
A super and a secret.
Alright. Ooh.
Black card.
And this is good for me, not any of that.
What's this?
It's an interesting word.
Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. Alright.
Oh, you said something else there.
And our second to last pack before our honorary special guest opens. Best card of all time.
Dude, do a barrel roll.
Alright, and now time for the award-winning special guest.
Cody.
Our main
I would like to say a few words. First off, I like Yu-Gi-Oh a lot, but I like Magic better.
Let's see this great opening.
Don't imitate the magic.
Alright,
Respel,
Cody, why are you playing Yu-Gi-Oh?
Eagle Shark,
You're a magic judge now.
5 Brothers, Explosion,
Whoa!
Dodeca,
Great job.
Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Leopard,
Ooh. Special.
Tatakawa Knight, Ga Wind,
That's a win.
Wind, whatever. I had some memory loss issues the other day. And your ghost rare.
Oh!
Mecha Phantasmal Dragon. Alright guys, that concludes this opening. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.